Hello, today we will be guiding you on the KDS or Kitchen Display System option and what this option allows. Once logged in, head to Settings and select Register Settings. From here, click on the KDS tab. We will be reviewing what this option means and how it can affect how items are sent to the kitchen. Before we dive into the details, when an order is placed, this allows servers to select items they would like to send to the kitchen, allowing the ability to spread courses out rather than sending all items to the kitchen at once, or preventing them from entering items in later and sending them to the kitchen at a later time. This feature also allows orders to appear on the KDS screen in the kitchen through clubcaddie.online. To log in, simply use the same credentials as you used for the Club Caddie software login. Let's use a practical example. Let's say we're in the Register tab and we create an order. Let's add cheese curds, a salad, and a burger. Once we've prepared our order, we hit Send. A prompt will appear asking if we want to send all items or just one. Let's say we just want to send the appetizer back first. After checking the item and selecting Send, the order will either be sent to your kitchen printer or will appear on the KDS display in the kitchen. When utilizing the KDS for display, the order comes with a timer set for 15 minutes by default. This countdown helps the kitchen staff to manage their time and ensure the food is ready and prompt. The preparation time can be set in the inventory center under preparation time. However, we do recommend setting these times under the global settings within the register settings. Once the order is ready, staff can click Push. This removes it from the KDS, indicating that it's ready for the server to deliver to the customer. Later, when it's time to send the main course, you can click Send again. Only remaining items will be listed. The process allows you to space out orders to match your service flow, ensuring the meal is served at the perfect temperature at the right time. The KDS also keeps a history of orders pushing through, allowing for easy reference if needed. And remember, if the order exceeds the 15-minute preparation time, it will turn red on the KDS, indicating it's overdue. Whether you're using a monitor in the kitchen or a kitchen printer, this system aims to make the order management process smoother and more efficient. And that's how you use the KDS feature on your software. Thank you for watching. For more detailed tutorials, stay tuned.